Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Presiding Officer, Lion President, then Ashok Swen, our esteemed District Governor, Lion Avula Gopal Rao Garu, the Cabinet Secretary Harihara Subram Garu, and the Cabinet Treasurer Mallikarjun Sane Garu, and the Zone Chairman and other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. Very good evening to all. Today I am very much happy to be here for a new club installation, and I thank you for inviting me for the induction. Anyhow, before induction, there were actually most of the indoctrination meetings have been done, I think so. You all have been given the background of Lions organization, what is organization, how it came and all, and what is its purpose, what it is doing. Anyhow, it is my customary to give a brief note because I don't want to take much of your time. We are already running 45 minutes late. Actually, the Lions International, this organization is started in the year 1917 by an insurance company owner, that is Melvin Jones, with a view that a voluntary organization free from all caste, creed and everything to help the needy, because we ourselves individually we cannot go and do service activities, we cannot bear such a huge amounts for the service activities. If ever we are coming together as a group, forming a club, so that we can do many service activities. For example, if a person who is badly in need of some 10,000 rupees for some surgery, if he comes to you, you may not be giving 10,000 rupees. But if you are a member of the Lions Club, if ever you bring that subject to the notice of the board meeting, if it is discussed in the board meeting, and all the board of directors, they will pass that, yes, we can help it by contributing every 1,500 in that way, so that the purpose will be solved and he will be helped, and we will also have this satisfaction that we have helped, and also his purpose is solved. Not only that, when natural calamities are always, whenever the natural calamities occurs, our Lions organization stands in forefront. In previous years, you might have seen the earthquakes, Latur. Our organization was in the forefront. They were constructed some houses also for them, and immediate relief measures. Immediate relief measures have been given, and by seeing this, even the other organizations came forward and helped them. To be frank, every time the government organizations are late when compared with our organization, that is Lions Club International. Whatever the amount which we are giving for LCIF, in the form of MGFs or Campaign 100, whatever it may be, this amount will goes to Lions Club Foundation. And for your information, that a single rupee will not be spent for the administration fund. This is the only organization in the entire world that no administration charges, expenses are there. It is purely deposited and it is given to the natural calamities, and also for the building of hospitals, and also whatever the requirements of the society. Even if you go back to the olden days, that is Divisima floods, the Kurnool floods, the Vizag and the Kerala, recently occurred floods, whatever it may be, even the Japan also, the tsunami, wherever any problem occurs in the entire universe, our organization is there in forefront. They are helping a lot. Lakhs of dollars are being given. This all is possible only because of the contribution what we are giving. We are giving a very little amount to the organization, but we are taking much amount, especially our India has taken much amount from the organization for the welfare of the poor and also for building up the permanent projects. Most of, even in our district also, this MSS Reddy Eye Hospital and other, recently the coming up the dialysis unit and other units. We received much funds from the international, from the LCIF. Our governor was kind enough to put forward the 5 projects, the upcoming projects to the international for the international funding. And it has been sent to the international, most probably by the, in a short period, we may be, after the approval in the board, we will be receiving the much huge amounts for the 5 projects. In that way, by contributing some amounts so that you will be able to help others and also build up the permanent projects. Not only that, we can have the social gatherings. Alone we cannot do anything. By coming together, we'll have some different understanding and also we'll come to an understanding to do some helping to take up some service activities in the society. We'll be getting some image and also through the organization. Anyhow, our organization is being spread up in more than 200 countries with a 14 lakhs membership with 50,000 clubs. USA stands number 1 with 10,504 clubs. And second place, our India, it comes to 8,764 clubs with 2.83 lakhs members, our India. In the year 1956, the Lions organization, it started in the 1917 in USA and in 2020 it has gone to Canada. In 1956 it came to India and afterwards slowly it has gone to each and every state and nook and corner of India and it is spreading like anything. And they have given an opportunity for 3 international presidents to serve the board in the previous year. Lions Club of Sanskar take this solemn obligation to abide by the Constitution, to attend all meetings regularly, and to support and further the interest of the club in all its undertakings. I further solemnly declare that I will assist in membership of the club, that I will help the club with its activities and in other capacities where my efforts are needed. And finally, that I will practice the principles of code of ethics and objects of the Lions Club International. Thank you. Kindly remain standing. Now I call upon the sponsorer, Lion Vanita Garu, Lion Kiran Kumar Singhi, Lion Induri Lata Madhuri. The sponsors. Madam, you are a senior members, you know the everything code and ethics of our nation, and therefore you are invited the philanthropic nature and also the helping kind-hearted people to our nation. And even though you are sponsoring these lines, kindly see that you also have to take some customary to take this pledge. I, you take your name, having sponsored as a member of Lions Club of Sanskar, hereby pledge myself to see that he and she is properly indoctrinated in the activities and functions of the club and the Lionism. I further pledge myself to the best of my ability to see that he and she attends all the club functions and that he and she becomes a good lion. Madam, your job is not over by getting them and joining into this organization. Kindly be with them and to see that you give a regular calls for attending the meetings and also the service activities. If once they start attending the meetings and service activities, automatically they will feel the interest will be developed and they'll come forward for the sponsoring and also the helping nature, and by involving in the activities they'll feel satisfied, and with that more strength will be increased and our organization will grow. And I thank the sponsors and also the members who have joined. I welcome into this organization, and I request the senior lions to give the pins to be weighed. And also, I bring warm felicitation on my personal behalf and behalf of my home club, Lions Club of Malkajgiri, and on behalf of B.V. Brahmaji Rao. He has sent a message to me that he is supposed to attend this meeting. Due to some urgent work, he could not attend the meeting. So he has requested me to convey his greetings also to the new club and the new members. Thank you everyone for coming forward, and I request all the members who have attended here, give a big applause and welcome these new members into fold of our great organization that is Lions Club International. Thank you, long live Lionism.